we're going to put together a spice that most everyone uses. It's called seasoned salt. Seasoned salt can be used from anything of French fries to pork, beef, chicken. You could even make homemade croutons and make this seasoning on the croutons for your family. Anything that we can make in our kitchen is better for us than anything that we can purchase from the store. And anything that can be purchased from the store, we can usually make in our own kitchen. It might not have the same crunch or quite the same taste, but we can forego that when we know that our family's health is on the line. The first thing that we're going to need is a jar. We just have used a pint jar that's glass. You can use whatever you want to. You can also use something plastic if that's what you prefer. I have a funnel. We're going to use sea salt. We want a fine, coarse salt, and sea salt is healthier than regular iodine salt, so we're going to dump that into our jar. Then we have a variety of seasonings. The description of everything that is in the seasoned salt will be in the description below. We have parsley flakes, garlic, onion powder, thyme, basil, turmeric, and I'm not sure what all else we put in here. Black pepper. It's quite a list. So we're going to go ahead and dump that in. And this is a recipe that can be quadrupled if you want to. Just use the normal sizes and just add it all to the jar. And once we put it in the jar, we're going to give it a good shake. By using the fine ground sea salt, and even with all the herbs that's been added, if you wanted to, you could put this into a salt shaker and you could just set it on your table and be able to use it that way as well. Thanks for watching this video. We also have a few other videos on how to make different spices such as spaghetti seasoning and taco seasoning, and that can all be done in your kitchen from pantry staples. So if you like our videos, we hope that you subscribe to our channel, leave a comment, hit the like button, and continue to watch. Thank you.